Hi, I'm going to show you how to log into your account because it's basically the same for each and every one of you because it's based off of your Google Drive ID. So you have to make sure that you're logged into your Google Drive, and you'll know that if you see your docs and your scripts and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm already logged in as myself. So here I can actually go right to the Powtoons. If you look at the assignments for today, you'll see there's a Powtoons link right here. And you'll see the tutorials. If you haven't done the tutorials, please do those first. And then you can either go on this link or this one. I probably would prefer you to use this one to just simply log in, and then you click on the login. And then what you're going to do, because you're already logged into your drive, you can actually just use this Google Plus circle item. You just click it once, and sometimes it takes 2 times to actually work. But in my case it only took 1 time, so just click it once and then just wait a little bit, then click it again if you saw like a screen flash, and then if it doesn't after that, then raise your hand and I'll help you. And here I'm thrown right into Studio. You want to be in this tab because this is what the tutorials are mostly on, and this is a fairly new product, so you want to make sure you're in Studio. And then you can create a new project just by simply clicking on create. And then you should see a bunch of templates because I actually paid for your account, so they should have a bunch of templates. If you only see like 1 or 2, then let me know, because then there's something up with the login that you did. But for for the ones that do get in successfully, just so you know, these premium ones are not available to us, so you just ignore those. But all the ones that aren't marked with anything with a red premium are ones you can absolutely use. So you can just click on any one of them. So you can click on, let's say, the Panda Pack, and you can actually see how it looks and hear it. And if necessary, you can turn down the sound or pause it and then turn down the sound. Actually, for some reason, the sound isn't going. So you can pick whichever one you like as far as styles go, but don't spend more than 5 or 10 minutes picking out which one you want. I thought this one might be, or not that one, this one might be good for the breakfast, or this one. So once you pick your style, so let's say I pick, why don't I pick, let's see, I want to pick a new one. How about this one? Because this kind of looks schoolish. So I can just click go. Be patient, it's going to come up eventually. And it actually gives you a little tutorial to kind of give you a refresher of their workspace. So you can go through that as well. Or if you felt like you went through the tutorials enough and you feel comfortable, you can just click this skip tutorial. And then once you're in here, you can start editing the pictures and text. It's a lot like when you're in PowerPoint, you got text boxes, you got picture boxes. You can move stuff around. See the crosshair, you can move it around. And then the tutorial should have told you how to do most of the other features. And you can always go back to the tutorials and run those.